everyone, we've got Toucan for you tutorial today. This video is brought to you by facepaintforumshop.com. I'm your artist rep, Lily. Alrighty, so we'll start off with DFX's Smiling Parrot. I love this cake. The yellow is so deep and bright. I'm also using a 5/8 angle wash brush. We'll create the beak for the toucan and the eye as well. Now I'll be using DFX Neon Sun, just the orange part from this particular cake. I really love the color. Throughout this video, I'll be using my round number 2 and 3. Now I've got Fusion's Leanne Sunshine, and I'm just using the reddish part. It's like a purpley pink actually. Now I'll use the 5/8 angle wash again and create the wing for the toucan. Now the great thing about this design is that a lot of this will be covered in black, so it doesn't have to be, the base doesn't have to be perfect. Now we're just going to add this for a little bit of background. Now we'll go ahead and take our Superstar Black, and I believe this is my round number 3 that I'm using here. We're just going to outline the body of the toucan. Alright, and that's how, you can definitely decide the size of the wing that you want and the size of the area of the eye. Now we go ahead and just fill in all the space. We're going to go ahead and outline the beak as well, and then create the tail, of course. So I wanted to add these really awesome palm trees. They're a really great design filler. It makes the design look so much bigger, and they're so simple to do. So we went ahead and added these to the background. And I loaded my round number 3 with white so we could add some highlights here. We definitely want to add some swirls to make it look, very tropical. And dots, of course. And you kind of always see toucans on branches, but I thought the swirls and the dots would be enough. We'll add a star here, some dots on the palm trees, and then lastly, since I already have my brush loaded with white, I'll just take some off the tip of the brush and load some of the blue from the Smiling Parrot cake and add a double dip flower here. And she's pretty much done. Thank you guys so much for joining me today.